Curb appeal is one of the most important aspects of a home's first impression. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to improve the aesthetic of your property, investing in window replacement can significantly enhance the overall look of your home. For homeowners in Metairie, Louisiana, where the humid climate, hurricane seasons, and southern charm play a role in home design, selecting the right windows can elevate both style and functionality. Here's how window replacement can boost your home's curb appeal and add long-lasting value to your property. Choose the right style for your home's architecture. One of the first considerations when replacing windows is how the style will complement the architecture of your home. In Metairie, homes often vary from traditional southern designs with large windows and shutters to more modern styles. Each architectural style benefits from different window designs, and the right window choice can transform the look of your home. Double-hung windows. These classic windows work well with colonial and Victorian homes. They offer a timeless, clean look while providing excellent ventilation options. A modern version with energy-efficient glass can enhance both curb appeal and comfort. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward. These windows have a sleek, contemporary look and are ideal for homes that want a more modern, European-inspired aesthetic. Picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that can frame the view outside, offering unobstructed panoramic views. These windows are great for more modern homes or properties with scenic surroundings, allowing natural light to flood in and create a bright, airy atmosphere. Choosing windows that complement the existing design of your home will ensure they blend seamlessly into your home's aesthetic while providing a fresh, upgraded appearance. Opt for energy-efficient features. Window replacement offers the perfect opportunity to upgrade your home's energy efficiency. In Metairie, where the climate can range from hot, humid summers to mild winters, selecting energy-efficient windows can make a huge difference in lowering energy bills and maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Look for windows with double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled spaces between panes to improve insulation. These windows reduce heat transfer, keeping the home cooler during the hot summer months and warmer during the winter. Not only will this enhance your comfort, but it will also improve your home's energy efficiency, an attractive feature for potential buyers when it comes time to sell. Additionally, replacing old, drafty windows with modern, energy-efficient models can prevent air leaks, ensuring your HVAC system works more efficiently. This translates to both reduced energy costs and a more sustainable home environment, which are important for homeowners in Metairie looking to minimize their environmental footprint. Add a splash of color or architectural detail. While windows are primarily functional, they can also be a focal point that adds personality and character to your home's exterior. In Metairie, a region known for its rich heritage and colorful homes, consider selecting windows with trim or accents that reflect your unique style. If your home has a neutral exterior, opting for windows with bold or contrasting trim can make a statement. Choosing custom colors or architectural details, such as decorative grids or muntins, can add a touch of sophistication or vintage charm that complements your home's overall look. For homeowners seeking a more rustic feel, windows with wooden frames or shutters can be an excellent choice. For those in more modern homes, sleek black or dark-colored frames can create a clean, contemporary aesthetic. Customizing the finish and features of your windows provides an easy and impactful way to elevate your curb appeal. Ensure hurricane-ready protection. Living in Metairie means facing the possibility of hurricanes. When replacing windows, it's essential to consider durability and storm protection. Many modern windows offer hurricane-resistant glass that can help prevent damage during high winds or extreme weather conditions. Not only will these windows provide safety and peace of mind, but they can also offer sleek designs that blend with the home's exterior. Hurricane-resistant windows often come in a variety of styles, so you can enhance your curb appeal while ensuring your home is well protected during storm season. It's a win-win, securing your home while maintaining its beauty. Improve natural light and view. Windows play an important role in how light enters your home and how you connect with the outdoors. Replacing smaller, outdated windows with larger ones or adding strategically placed windows can open up the interior, making it feel larger and more inviting. By enhancing natural light, you'll not only improve the ambiance inside but also create a brighter, more welcoming curb appeal. Picture windows, bow or bay windows, and even strategically placed skylights can make a noticeable difference in how your home is perceived from the outside. A home with abundant natural light is always more inviting, and new, larger windows can make the most of scenic views, helping you to connect more with your surroundings. Conclusion. Window replacement is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's curb appeal in Metairie. By choosing the right style, energy-efficient options, and making thoughtful design choices, you can transform your home's exterior into a stunning showcase that's both beautiful and functional. Whether you're looking to boost your home's value or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable living space, replacing old windows offers a significant return on investment. So, if you're considering a home upgrade, look no further than your windows. Small changes can lead to big improvements.